Hello everyone. Start off by drawing this ice cream shape and then at the top make a bite mark and then at the bottom add the ice cream stick. In the middle add some ice and then color it in. Color in everything except for two circles to make it look like the eyes are twinkling. Then color it in. Next, start off by drawing a cloud shape but leave a little gap in the middle. Then add the squiggly line shape at the bottom and connect it. At the top add some leaves and then add blush on the side. Then begin to color it in. We have chosen to use the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue and finally purple. Now this is what it should look like. Next, take a green marker and then make multiple lines as such. Make it go wider and wider as you move on with it. Then use a darker green on top of this as well. At the bottom, use a brown marker and then color in the bark of a tree. Then add a star shape to the top as such. Use a red marker to draw lines around it to show that it is being decorated. Add little balls in different colors to make it look all the more decorated. Now take a red marker and then make circles on the red marker. Then take an orange marker and do the same, however do it with orange this time. Then take a yellow marker once more, make a circle and fill it in with the marker. Next use green and following green use blue. Following blue use a sort of purplish pink as such. Finally this is what it should look like. On top of this use a black marker and then add antennae. Then add a cute little smile as well as some eyes to it. Add hair all around as well. Do this for all the parts of the body. You have now made a little worm out of it. Finally, once you are done with this, add small little legs as well. Add legs to each of the little circles that are present. For our next drawing, start off by drawing what looks like the top of an ice cream scoop as such. Now once you're done with this, add a layer right underneath it and then add a rectangular shape. This will be a cupcake. For the bottom portion of it, make a checks-like shape. Then in the middle, color it in brown. Do the same for the bottom as well. Line it. Do not do it one on top of the other so that it does not become dark. Next, draw two curved lines as such and then add arrowhead shapes on the lines. Connect the bottom of these arrowhead shapes with a curved line as such. It should look like a little crop of either wheat or maize. Once you are done with this, add lines to the side as well. Now move on to the second line and once more repeat the same steps. Draw the arrowheads and then draw the curved lines at the bottom, add lines to either side of it. There you have it. Next, start off by drawing multiple curved lines on a white sheet of paper. Then add two more lines at the top and then connect it. Now you have made a banana. Add a rectangular bottom to it, then take a yellow marker and then color in your banana as such. Line it one on top of the other, do not make it overlap. Next, draw a little shape and then draw bunny ears at the top. Add eyes in the middle as such and then add a little twinkling effect to it by coloring it all in except for a little circle. Add a little mouth to it as well. Now underneath it, add the body. Add a little bushy tail at the bottom as well and then make the legs as well. Add a somewhat ovular shape at the back, that is triangular ovular shape, and then make a carrot out of it. Add the lines of the carrot as well. Use a pink marker to add in the blush and then the inner parts of the ear. Color in your carrot. Next, take a yellow marker and then draw this triangular shape onto it. Draw a top portion as well and then draw a line underneath it. Add two lines underneath it on the sides and then color one half of it in. Color in the other side once you're done with the first half. Now using a black marker, add hair to the top as such using your marker. Add a little face to it and then add a line right down this jacket. Add buttons on one side and then add the lines of the hand portion of the coat. Using the black marker, add on little feet with boots. Make two of them. For our next drawing, start off by taking some blue glitter pen as such. Start off by making a cross shape and then add another horizontal line to it. Connect each of the sides by using these triangular shapes and then add arrowhead-like shapes to each of the lines. You should have made a snowflake. Add a little circular shape to the end of it as such. Thank you for watching.